In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your Facebook account. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. Start by opening Facebook in your web browser and make sure you're logged in to the account you want to deactivate. At the top right corner of the Facebook homepage, you'll see your profile picture or profile icon. Click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu that gives you quick access to various account options. From that menu, look for the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand into another list of options related to how your Facebook account behaves and how your information is managed. In the expanded list, click on Settings. This takes you to the main settings area where you can control things like privacy, security, and account information. It might look a little overwhelming, but we're going to focus on one specific section. On the settings page, find and click on Account Center. Facebook uses the Account Center to manage connected accounts, like Facebook and Instagram, in one place. This is where options for deactivation and deletion are now located, so it's important to go through here instead of older menu paths you might remember. Inside the Account Center, look for the option called Manage Accounts, and click on it. This section shows the accounts linked to this Account Center and lets you change or remove how they're managed. Next, click on Manage. This will usually appear next to your listed account or under a heading that clearly indicates account management. By clicking this, you're telling Facebook you want to make changes specifically to that account. Now you should see your Facebook profile listed. Click on Select for the Facebook account you want to deactivate. If you have more than one account connected, make sure you choose the correct one, since any changes you make will apply only to the account you select here. After selecting the account, you'll be taken to a page for deletion and deactivation options. Here, click on Continue. From this point, Facebook will guide you through the remaining on-screen prompts to deactivate your account, such as confirming your choice and reviewing what deactivation means, like temporarily hiding your profile and posts without permanently deleting your data. Follow those final prompts, and once you confirm, your Facebook account will be deactivated.